Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Check Device Manager to verify a Bluetooth adapter is listed and not flagged. This tells you if hardware is recognized. Once done, install any pending Windows 10 updates so drivers can match the OS. Make sure the laptop's physical wireless switch or function key is on, then open Action Center and toggle Bluetooth on. These immediate checks prevent wasted effort later and prepare the system for driver and settings fixes. Next, focus on drivers and settings. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall and restart to force Windows to reinstall it. While restarting, run Windows Troubleshooter for Bluetooth to auto-detect common issues. After reboot, go to the adapter's Properties, Power Management tab, and uncheck any option allowing the computer to turn off the device. This prevents sleep-related disconnects and ensures. Finally, make pairing reliable. Open Services, locate Bluetooth Support Service and set Startup Type to Automatic, then start the service. This enables device discovery and audio profiles. Remove any problem device entries from Settings Devices, then repair from scratch to clear stale pairings. Test with a second Bluetooth gadget to determine if the issue is the laptop or the peripheral. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to eliminate third-party conflicts. Then reinstall the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.